So I saw your question on discussion board. Looks like you already got it right. You want to find the indicated z-score for the graph at the right. This is from section 5.3, number 6 in the homework. So you got normal distribution. You want to find the z-score. You're told the area to the right is 0.0516. I'd probably just go into stack. You can use table or calculator. I'd just probably use StatCrunch. If you open up StatCrunch, you can open it by clicking on question help. Go stat and calculator here, and bring up the normal calculator. Got all kind of calculators, but you want to choose this one. You want to leave it in standard. And so, we are talking about a mean and standard deviation of 1 here. You can see the mean 0. And so you just want to put that, you want to do greater than because it's the area to the right. And you put that area in here and you click compute, and it gives you the desired value. You just want to round, I guess, to 2 decimals, so it'd be 1.623. Hope this helps.